Subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get early notification of our latest video.
In today's video you will see how you can fix hard disk to MBR style for Windows installation after you find the error that Windows cannot be installed to this disk. Similarly, you can also convert the hard disk to GPT style when you find the same error during Windows installation. Knowing why Windows is not installed: it's because when installing Windows on UEFI-based PCs using Windows Setup, your hard drive partition style must be set up to support either UEFI mode or Legacy BIOS compatibility mode. If you get this error, you've got a few options. Reboot your PC in Legacy BIOS compatibility mode. This option lets you keep the existing partition style and change BIOS mode only for quick installation process. As you can see here, boot to UEFI mode or Legacy BIOS mode. Should I convert my drive? No, you do not need to, as long as your BIOS support both Legacy and UEFI mode. In case your BIOS supports only Legacy mode, you have to convert your drive from GPT to MBR. Checking Legacy mode by typing msinfo32, and the system information window will show up. You can convert disk to MBR by this using Windows command function, or use a software for this purpose. Before this, make sure your data is backed up for that drive. Here you can see easy to use, can perform various functions on drive. While running PC, you can choose the drive you want to convert to MBR, selecting diskpart.exe for converting. Using few easy commands, you can format and easily convert selected drive to MBR. Similarly, you can use command program while installing Windows in case of error and convert drive to GPT or MBR. Press Shift plus F10 and command window will open. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. If you like this information, then give a like, share and subscribe.